Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. So if you want to know how to create poll on WhatsApp, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Go to your WhatsApp application and go to your desired chat. Now click on this called option. You can see I have indicated that. Now you can see there are many options. At the bottom part there is an option which is poll. Click on it. And now you can write your customized questions, like I'm writing, where's your country? There are many options to add. Just click on the add option, and now you can create up to 12 options. Like I'm adding Bangladesh, Philippines, USA, UK, Brazil, Pakistan, India, or you can add any option that you want. Now click on this button. Now you can see that your poll has been created very easily. Now if anyone wants to answer this, they have to just click on the options like I'm showing you the demonstration. Like I'm clicking on Bangladesh. Now you can see that there has been added one vote on Bangladesh, or if I click again on this button, it will be deselect. If I select Philippines, it will be added to Philippines. In this way, you can easily create poll on your desired chat or any group. So if you find this tutorial helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the full video. See you in the next one.